want to do is you want to make a new composition, then add a solid, preferably something a little lighter. The second thing that you want to do is you could add a text, you could add a solid, you could add a shape layer. For now, we're just going to add text. And I'm going to say 3D shadows. Okay, step 2. Step 3, you want to make both of them 3D. And as soon as you do that, your text disappears because both of these layers are in the same plane. Okay, so we need to change the Z index, which is the position of my text in relation to the internal camera, to a minus number so that I could see my text. And I can simply just choose -1 in the Z panel here. And then so my text pops forward. In order for us to have shadows, we need to have a light. So now I'm going to go ahead and add a light. And you want to make sure that it's on spot. You can change some of these settings. And you want to make sure the cast shadow option is selected. You're going to say OK. Now I'm going to go to my position for my text. And and actually, sorry. One other thing that I need to do is I need to go to the material option for my text, and I want to make sure the cast shadow option is set to on. And as soon as I do that, you'll see that you start seeing my shadow appear on the text. If I double click my spotlight, I could change the fallout to none, so I get a kind of much harsher light. Or if you want to have it a smoother fallout of the light, you change the fall off to smooth. So this one you can go back and if you want the shadow to be hard, you change the shadow diffusion. If you want it to be softer, you actually change it to a higher number. You can also change the darkness of your shadow using the shadow darkness option. And now, again, when I move and I'm going to just say OK here. And now when I move my light in relation to my text, you'll see that it sort of changes the way that my text looks. So this is how you add shadows in 3D context.